especially his love and support for football. Several months back, when he pioneered the first hybrid football academy, the Madrid Academy, I had the honor of being invited to commission that academy. And we've seen that academy grow. You are not only our Premier League champions, I believe you are continental champions. So you wear two caps as the ambassadors of River State and the ambassadors of Nigeria on the continent. So when you go out there, you get support from River State, you get support from the federal government and the entire football-loving Nigerians. His Excellency has given you a charge. You are our best chance and our best hope. We want to make sure that we move up to that continental football level, and I believe that you boys can do it.
Yes, sir.
Your Excellency, I listened to the promises you've made, and I looked around. I asked Barrister Green, where is the coach? Where is the coach? Your Excellency, I'm a very good central defender. Can the coach make me the central defender? I wish you the best. Thank you.